Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Working through previous year's exam papers is an excellent way to revise and prepare for your ABRSM Music Theory exam. I've worked through every single question of every past exam paper in grades 1 to 5 from 2014 right through to 2018 to help you to really get to grips with your knowledge of music theory. And even though the exam paper has changed slightly, the older years papers still provide great revision and exam prep. And I explain the changes to the paper in each video. In this short video, you'll find links in the cards and in the description box to all 4 videos to work through each question of Grade 3 Paper B from the 2014 past exam paper. Grade 3 draws upon all of the new information found in the Music Theory and Practice workbook, in addition to the information covered in all of the previous grades. If you click on the link to the playlist in the description box, you'll find videos where I work with you step by step through each question in the workbooks. As an additional help, if you go to my website, you can download some free PDF information sheets to accompany each step in the series. There's also a page on my website with all of my YouTube videos listed there. You can also find out about the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and hints on how to best be prepared for your exam and how to make the best use of your time on exam day. So if you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find it all there. If you can give me a like, that would be super, and please do subscribe and share out the videos. Enjoy your studies. See you next time. Bye.